Guys, welcome back to develabs.ai. So in this video we are going to start with the event arc challenge lab. So if you understand me, please make sure that please like, share and subscribe for more updates on develabs.ai, guys. So let's start the lab. So just copy your password and open the console in ignore mode. So click on next here. So paste your password here and click on next here. So click on I understand. So now guys, click on agree and continue here and open a closure terminal in your lab and click on continue. If it displays, yeah, and now come back to a lab. So guys, I'll be providing link in description, so get access of that link. So just come back to a github repo and now just export the location here, copy this and just come back to a lab. So wait for your terminal till it loads. So now just paste it here, export location, and just come back to a lab. Click on this challenge scenario. Below this challenge scenario there is an location here, US East 4. So copy your location, not what you're looking in display. So just copy this and then come back and paste it here and click on enter, guys, and just come back, guys, and just copy the another command provided link in description. So just come back and paste it here and click on enter. So click on authorize. So guys, wait for a few minutes, the lab will be easily solved, guys. So guys, finally we have been completed a lab. So let's just let you check our progress in our lab. So come back to our lab and let me check our progress. Click on task number 1. So below task number 1, let me check our progress here. So task number 1 has been successfully completed, guys. Let me move on task number 2. So task number 2 also successfully completed, guys. Let me move on task number 3. So guys, finally task number 3 also completed, guys. So guys, if you want to channel, make sure that please like, share and subscribe for more updates on develabs.ai, and don't forget to hit a subscribe and like button so that it will be more motivated for me to make such contents. Thank you guys. Let me meet on next video.